Nothing dramatic happens on day one. That's important to understand. You don't suddenly become confident, your life doesn't transform overnight. You just sit there, alone with your own mind for the first time in a long time. And that's usually where people fail. Because most men don't realize porn wasn't only about lust, it became an escape. Bored? Open your phone. Stressed? Escape again. Lonely at night? Blue light, locked door, headphones on, same cycle. After a while, your brain stops chasing real life because fake stimulation became easier than effort. That's why this 30-day experiment matters. Not because semen magically gives you superpowers, but because removing constant dopamine forces you to face yourself again. The first week feels strange. Your mind keeps reaching for stimulation automatically. You unlock apps without thinking. You sit on the edge of your bed at night, fighting urges that feel more emotional than physical. That's when you realize something uncomfortable. You weren't addicted to pleasure, you were addicted to escaping discomfort. So during these 30 days, don't just avoid porn, replace the pattern. Wake up earlier even when your mind negotiates. Work out until your body feels honestly tired instead of mentally overstimulated. Clean your room. Go outside more. Stop hiding in dark rooms all day. And sometimes, just sit still. No music, no scrolling, no distractions. Because if silence feels unbearable, that tells you something about your current state. Around the second or third week, small things begin changing. Your eyes look less tired. Your face stops looking constantly drained. You feel more present in conversations. Your posture changes slightly. Workouts feel sharper because your energy isn't disappearing every night into pixels and fantasy. Not perfect, just healthier, more human. And mentally, something even bigger happens. You start trusting yourself again. Every night you resist the old pattern, your brain remembers, I can control myself even when nobody's watching. That feeling builds slowly, quietly. By day 30, your life still won't be perfect, but your mind feels cleaner, your attention feels stronger, your habits become more intentional, and for the first time in a while, you stop feeling controlled by every urge that enters your head. That's the real benefit. Not becoming superhuman, just becoming someone who finally has control over his own mind again. No noise, only discipline.